Me and Caleb's on our way to pick up a mini excavator. If we can get this old hound dog off his trailer. Come on. Come on, come on. We're leaving. Come on, I ain't gonna haul you on back to the trailer. Come on, Patsy. Your dog's stuck on the trailer.
Yeah, Patsy.
Get up, girl. Come on. Come on now. Come, you can't right. Come on now. Ah. Well, I found a little excavator, a little mini excavator. I got it for a price so cheap that just ridiculous. I have to pick it up. It's got, you know, come from the auction, but it's brand new, no hours on it. Let's go check it out, see what we got. Close your door. If he flips it, I got his whole video. Put your bucket down just slowly. No, the other way. Oh, come on down with it. Come on down with it. Come on down with the bucket. I thought. All right, Caleb, raise your bucket up, curl it in.
It's heavier than I think.
All right. I think.
Come up a little.
Yeah, yeah. Right there. Yep. Put the bucket down. Bucket down, blade down. Blade down. You got it, Bob. Good job. Well, we didn't flip it. Good job, Bob. Did it get hot in there? That door closed?
Not too bad.
All right.
Next thing you want to do, you want the throttle up on this. You don't want to go like.
All right.
Want me to straighten the cab up a little bit, or you good?
That's good. we made it home without spilling it. Here, Caleb, it goes up.
Goes all the way up.
No, wait, no, wait. Yeah, it goes just like that.
Oh, yeah, I said by the way.
All right. You're good. Hey, I threw that chain back in the truck, didn't I?
I hope you did.
Yeah. Well, we got some work planned for this thing. I'm gonna put the hydraulic thumb kit on it. I'm gonna make it myself. All right, Kelvin, load that thing. I'm not getting in it.
You can watch and make sure my tracks are on those ramps.
I will. He looks like an owl shoved in a mason jar. Hey, put that bucket out. There you go. Open your door now. Come on. Park it over in front of that little door. Park it in front of the little door over there. Play wet. Put your blade down. Dump it out. All right. Take it back to the barn. Down your blade. Your blade's down. some more gas.